Hello everyone, this is Barkat Khan, founder of Mr. Khan Digital, which is a top website development, digital marketing, and AI automation agency in Bangalore, India. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create Elementor website on WordPress using AI. So for that, let's begin. First of all, what you need to do is go to plugins and add plugins. Here you need to search starter templates. This is the plugin, you need to install it. Then you need to activate it. Now since it's activated, you need to press get started. Here you can see multiple business category websites which is already built, and what we can do is we can search for your business category or just select from here. For example, currently I'm going to search for agency website. So wherever there is premium, that for that you need to purchase starter template pro plugin, but wherever there is not premium you can install it for free. So let's select this. You can upload your logo here. Based on your logo it will pop up here and wherever it's required. Now I'm not doing that. You can also select the color types of your website. I'm keeping this for now. Continuing. So here it says what all features you want in your website. So whatever you need you can select it, then click continue. For now I'll skip this step. Now you need to add your brand name here, then submit and build my website, or you can also skip this. For now I'll skip this. Now my website is getting developed based on the details I gave. Let's wait for it. It's installing pages, menus, posts, etc. It's about to finish almost. Yeah, you can see my website is live. I can see my website. You can see that the my website is built and it's live on my domain. So yeah, that's it for today. Thank you so much.